Assalamu alaikum students, welcome to my channel again. Today our topic is on MATLAB, that how can we call the functions in MATLAB and how can we run them. I will tell you every step to do this, and I hope you will be connected with me throughout the video. Now the first most important thing which the students miss is that they simply open the function file from here. For example, if I open the file from here or recent files, this is my recent file, function file. So this is a function file of which I want to see the output. So here is its line which is gonna show me the output plot of this function with different parameters. So if I copy this line in a new file, I have to create a new file to call any function. That's the first thing you have to keep in mind. But I have copied this file line here, so if you run this, you're gonna get an error. You can see here undefined function variable itu dry here. And that's a very important thing which every student misses nowadays, so I'm gonna explain it to you. The error, the reason behind this error is that you can see on this tab left side that you haven't opened the folder of this code containing file. Okay, you have to open that folder here in which this coded file, function file, is present. Otherwise you're gonna get this error. So what I'm gonna do here is I will browse for that folder here. So I'm gonna go to my folder. You will have to wait a bit. So it is, I think, this one. Okay, so you can see here I opened the folder for this itu dry air function file. You can see here this file is present here. So when I have opened the folder here, now if I run this line, simply plot line, you're gonna get your output, or you're gonna get your graph. So you can see here I got the graph of this line simply. So this was the thing that many students miss. So you have to open the folder here to run that function file. Now another thing, if you want to have multiple plots on a same graph, so I'm gonna tell you that thing too. For example, I want to change this parameter here. If I go back to function file, this value is for pressure. If I want to plot the graph on different pressure values, I have to change this pressure value. So what I'm gonna do here is, first I will go to the next line and write hold on, and then copy this line, these two lines, two times. Now I will change the pressure values here. For example, in the first line it is 1013, I will write 500 here and 800 here. So now I have used the hold on command and I have chosen three values of pressure. I want all these lines to be plotted on a same graph. So when I run it, you will get these three lines. So you can see here I have plotted for three different pressure values. Now if you want to show in the graph that which color of the line is for which pressure value, so you can simply use legend command. Legend is another command which is very useful. You can simply type, this is the syntax, you will just follow it with me. First pressure value was 1013 HPa, then second value was 500 HPa, and last value was 800 HPa. Okay, so the things I have typed here, they will be shown in the graph for the reference. Okay, at 500 HPa, I will copy this line here. Some kind of problem is that I have to check Okay, so here it is. Now when I run it, you will get a very good graph with every detail. You can see here in the graph you are being shown that the blue curve is for 1013 pressure value, then this red curve is for 500 pressure value, and 800 pressure value curve is the orange one. Okay, so these are all the things, very basic things, but very important to run a function and to plot different curves on a simple same graph. So I hope you understood it well, and you will do it easily now. Thank you very much for your time.